How to work miracles. I'm going to tell you how to work miracles. Does that raise the question of wanting? No, not at all. There is no wanting in working miracles. All you've got to do is know what you want, and you hold to it, not mentally or emotionally, which is normal wanting, but by presence in yourself. For instance, can you isolate inside of you, meaning isolate I mean distinguish inside of you, the feeling of what you want most? If you've put a name to it or a face to it, get rid of the face or the name now and hold the feeling of it. Feel it? That is what you want. It's what's going to happen anyway if you can really find what you want in this way as the feeling inside yourself. It's what is going to happen anyway. You just tune into the inevitable. And so it is said that only God knows what is going to happen. God is the inevitable will. Being one with the will, by not wanting as impatience or discontent, but just by having the presence of the feeling of what you want most inside of you, is being aligned with the will. Now you might not be able to distinguish this great, beautiful feeling of wanting or what you want most inside of you at this moment. But you can take it from me that it is there. And over the days or weeks ahead, you will have the opportunity to feel this, because I have mentioned it, because it's the truth of life. Now when you feel it, and your mind or brain goes to put an image, a face to it, or a name to it, remember to get rid of the name, the face, and feel the feeling. The feeling alone is real. The feeling alone is what you want. And then you hold to that. Well, I don't mean cling to it, because obviously it's yourself, isn't it? It's the feeling inside your own body, so you don't have to hold to it in a sense of tension or clinging, because it's there. In other words, you perceive it as a reality inside yourself. And you stay present with it. Without thinking about it, you stay with the feeling. That's how you work miracles. Do that, and you will bring about, or that which you want will come to you. That is the law. Will you try it? Of course, finally, when you get through all the wanting, which is normal to the brain of our times, when you get through all the wanting of this and wanting that, which is not truly what you want, because it comes and goes, all that stuff. When you get through all the surface wanting, you come down to the fact, the truth, that what I want is love. And yet, as I feel the wanting of love, if I can only hold that without putting a face or name to it, as loneliness or anything else, that very feeling of wanting, which is myself, turns to my love. Before that, it can take the formulation or apparent formulation of longing, can't it? Oh, this dreadful longing, we might say. And then when we've held it long enough, or been present with it, responsible for it as the feeling in ourselves, we're likely to say, oh, this sweet longing. And if we stay with it long enough after that, we will discover, oh, this is my love, how beautiful it is. And of course, it is yourself, or the real part of you, the divine part of you, the good in you. And that divine good, which is truly only yourself, brings to you in form, in some form or other, what will satisfy or fulfill for you in your life that feeling externally. That's how you work miracles. That's how you bring peace and fulfillment and rightness, right people, right surroundings, right house, right place, right being to you. That's how you do it. By holding to the truth, which is the love, the reality of yourself. Now,